Welcome everybody, my name is Marie Jones and I am a Mael mentor and here to share with you how to save your Facebook Live videos on your computer to repurpose them on YouTube or on any other different device. Okay, so Facebook makes it a little bit tricky when it comes to saving videos, which is the first step that you want to do. If you happen to record something on your Facebook business page, it does not give you that option. And that's the tricky part, because you automatically say, I need to save this, and you're not going to be able to. So what you will need to do is go to your video section in your Facebook business page. Once you go there, you're going to locate that video. You're going to click on the video. Now, before it starts playing, I want to share with you something. Now, if you come up here, you'll see the Face Fairy Mael videos, but it won't have an extension of the URL. This means that this is just pulling from all of the videos. This is not the URL for this one particular video. Just want you to note that, because you will find other tutorials on how to save your videos that will tell you to exchange this for an M, the www for M, but you do not want to do that because you do not have the extension of this particular video. Now what you need to do is you need to click play on the video. And then you see how I clicked on that link onto the right? I'm going to go over here and save video. Now, as you can see, you can also download the video from here. I'm going to pause this. So when you are trying to save videos on your Facebook wall, download video is not there unless they have updated it. But the last time I checked, download video wasn't there, and that was kind of hard. So I want to show you both ways. You can save a video. Okay, so now that your video is saved, where is it? That's the question. Well, you would think that the answer would be, it would be on your Facebook business wall. But actually, it gets attached to your Facebook personal wall page. If you go and click on the F for Facebook and scroll all the way down to, on your left-hand side, you will see saved. Okay, and this is after all of your groups and everything. And there is your saved videos. Click on the video link. By clicking on the video link, it will take you to the direct video link URL. Now, if we go to the right-hand side of the video pane, you'll notice that it still doesn't say download video, because the video was created on your Facebook business page. So we're going to have to do a little trick here. We're going to take out www. We're going to replace it with M, put the dot in, and leave the URL the same. Hit enter, and you'll be taken to the mobile version of your video. You'll want to click on the video to be able to download. Again, if you click up here to the right-hand side of the drop-down, it just says save video. It doesn't say download video. So click on the video, then pause it, right-click, click Save Video As, and then you're able to save your video. So that is how you can save the video into an easy peasy mobile format. Now let's go back again. Okay, we're going to go back to my business page and back to the video. And now if we click on the right-hand side and we click on download video, it automatically downloads to your computer. So, of course, the second way is the easiest, but as far as I remember, on Facebook wall page, if you do a live video on your Facebook wall, this is not an option. It's only an option if you're on a Facebook business page. So that's the two different ways that you can download your videos. And hopefully that made sense to you. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And if you are interested in joining my team and getting more tips on how to grow your business on social media and the wonderful opportunity of Mael, please contact me or comment below. Thanks.